Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome to 2022 and the 6th episode of the Backyard Bachelor. To start off the year, we're doing one of my favorite batch mixed drinks, the Mulled whiskey cider. For the most part, it's been super warm in DC. Apple season has extended, so why not make mulled whiskey ciders for when those impending cold days come ahead of us? First off, we're going to start with some baked apples. With our knife, we're going to dice 2 to 3 apples into perfect cubes and place them in a separate bowl. In that bowl, we are going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, and as well as sumac. You might need a little extra more. The goal is to make sure each cube is lightly dusted. Afterwards, we'll place the apples in a pan and into an oven at 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. Now for my favorite part, building the base of the mulled whiskey cider. So, on the stovetop in a large pot, we are going to add some spices. A teaspoon of cloves, grated ginger, nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of lavender and allspice, as well as some cinnamon. And we're just going to gently roast it for a couple minutes until fragrant. Then we're going to add a quart of apple juice, a cup of cranberry juice, as well as 1.5 cups of fresh cranberries with 3 cinnamon sticks. And once everything is mixed combined, we're going to leave it on a gentle boil for an hour, stirring occasionally as things get to know each other. And of course, in the last 10 minutes, we're going to add the baked apples. Lastly, in order to get the party batch ready, I'm going to add 2 bottles of Angry Orchard just to make it a little extra boozy, as well as a half a cup of Carcade, which is an incredible hibiscus liqueur from Don Chicho y Figli, a half a cup of lime juice, and a cup to a cup and a half of Jim Beam. And we're going to continue to stir that and serve immediately. And there you go. You have your whiskey ciders ready to go for a fun night ahead. Apologies for the shorter episode. I've been a little under the weather lately, but I'm back in action and excited for what 2022 brings to us. Stay tuned for next week. We're going to do something a little bit more fun. And for all you health nuts out there that are trying to hold on to their resolutions, we're going to do some salads. Hope you enjoy the content. See any of the other videos that have come out so far and more to come. Till next time. Yamas.